Yo, what's up, guys? Hope you're doing absolutely amazing, bro. It's super late right now. You can see it's 3 a.m. I forgot to record today when I took the trade. This was the first trade that we have won now in the last 5-6 trades. Like last week, the whole week, we had a losing week, unfortunately. But that's fine. Some things like that happen. Shit happens, right? So I'm gonna try to keep this really short and just go over the trade that I took today and why did I take the trade and that. Alright, so let's keep it really simple. So yeah, so daily bias today is bullish. We can see that it's bullish, right? I traded GPP JPY today because there was news. I can show. There was news on let's see here. Well, it was news on the dollar, and then if it's news, and this is some heavy news, is CPI and that. I don't want to trade Euro USD because dollar is there, GBP USD is dollar, right? So I traded GBP JPY. So yeah, but so what I do, I go to 1 hour time frame, right? Like normal. We mark out Asia session. Which is not marked out. I removed it. Asia session, and we mark out the London session and New York session. I traded New York session, right? So what I do is that, or what I did is that I mark out all the highs I can see and all the lows I can see. Let's do it like this, guys. So it becomes really simple. Like this. So I play back. So I mark out all the highs and the lows. Basically super simple. On the 1 hour that I see, and then do it also on the 4 hour, like we did here. Low here, right? A nice low there. Go to 1 hour. You guys can see here's a low, here's a low, here's a low. Super simple. Super simple. We play it. Play it. So around here, I wake up. Boom, new session opens. Now what I do, what do you do now? I wait for the price to go and sweep London highs, right? Oh shit, you guys can see this is London highs. My bad, I'm a bit tired now. Here, London highs. This is London session. This is the highest point in London session, so London highs. Super simple. We wait for when new session open, wait for the price to go up and sweep those highs. This candle didn't, this candle did. Perfect. As soon as it happens, I got a 5-minute time frame. Super simple. On 5-minute time frame, here is the sweep. What I look for? I look for a fair value gap. Here we have a 5-minute like this. Here we have a 5-minute fair value gap, right? Super simple. We have a 5-minute fair value gap here. A 5-minute fair value gap here also. What I want now is that I want the 5-minute bullish fair value gap to become inverse fair value gap. Basically, the price closes underneath it because we are taking a sell, right? And I want the price then to return and retest the fair value gap. And then when it retests, I want to break structure to downside, and that's when I enter trade. Super simple. So subplot the liquidity, right? Fair value gap here created, close underneath fair value gap, creating an inverse fair value gap. Price comes back, retest it. What do we do now? We wait for a break structure. Super simple. Here you can see this is a low. The price needs to close below this low now for us to be a break structure. It hasn't done it. Boom, a new low. So yeah, I can take this away. So this line is the new low. We want the price not to close underneath this low. If it happens, we have a break structure and we enter our trade. Boom, there. So this candle close, we always need to wait until the candle closes because the candle can move in any direction, you know. The candle closed now underneath that low, previous low, which creates a break structure. and I have added the fair value gap on that, inverse value gap, waiting for extra confirmations on that. So here I enter my trade, boom, here the trade came and retested this 5-minute fair value gap, respected it. Here close underneath it, creating another inverse fair value gap, giving us stronger confirmation that it will keep going down, which is just a nice feeling. Here, boom. We have we close underneath this also, 5-minute fair value gap, creating a stronger confirmation. And then if I go to 50-minute fair value, here I wrote this is a 50-minute fair value gap, which I have marked. The price comes back, retest it, right? Go down, goes down again, which gives us even stronger confirmation that will go down. This shit is, don't mind that. I just marked that. I didn't take this trade. This was the trade I took. 3.7 hour, which is really good. And my take profit, I targeted London lows. So I had two take. No, I had only one take profit here. But let me check on my phone. Let me double check. I think I have two. Wait, I marked something out. No. Yeah, I had two take profits here. I had one at London Nose, I see, and one at this line. This line is equilibrium on a 1 hour time frame. That's what I had. So when this take profit got hit, what I did is that I was at the trade that was open, the second trade, that I had a take profit here on. What did I do with that one? Is that when this one got hit, I moved it to break even. So one trade was closed here. The second trade basically closed before the market closed. So around let's see, around it closed at 11, so around like 10 something, or like 9 around. I can double check that also to give you the right information. Let me see here, MetaTrade. Chart. Yes, I saw that. I closed that trade also here on this candle. Why exactly that candle is probably because I saw a reversal, and there is like not long left until the market closes, so I closed everything here. So today was actually a really good trading day. This video, this is not the date because it's past 12 midnight, so this trade was yesterday, basically 12th of August. Now it's 13th of August. Yeah, and this video will not get uploaded. Maybe it will get uploaded today. I need to wake up in 5 hours to trade London session, and then I'm going to work a 9 to 5 job. Yeah, just on the side, to get extra income to get a big live capital. So this was the trade recap for today. I hope I did a good explanation. I'm not really good at explaining things because I just say words and speak fast. Some people might not understand, but for me, I understand it. So that's maybe I should try to explain everything super simpler. But the trade today, just to get a really short brief over it, everything, it was that we waited for the price to go out and take out London highs. It did sweep out London highs. When it swept out the London highs, went to 5-minute time frame. We looked for some nice fair value gaps you could find on the 5-minute time frame. Here it swept here, right? We had a 5-minute fair value gap here. We waited for the price to create an inverse fair value gap, come back, retest it, and then just waiting for a break structure downside. So this is the candle that swept out everything. So this is the low for this one, right? For the price to create a break structure, you need to close underneath it. Okay, it didn't happen. Here's the next low. It didn't close underneath it, right? Here's the next low. Boom, the price closed underneath it. So we entered there. So it's really good to wait for the big structure. If I would have just entered off the retest here, let's say if I would have entered like something like that, based just of the retest, and have my stop loss above this high here, I would get stop loss and lost the trade. So the break structure confluence, like an extra confirmation on that, is always good to have. Wait for the extra. So overall, really good trade. I'm happy. Don't feel anything special about it, since we already have so many lost trades. But it's nice to have actually a 1 winning trade now. But the emotions needs to be out of the game for you to make it in trading. Super simple. So that was the trade. Thank you so much, guys. We come back stronger tomorrow, hopefully. Let's see if I can wake up to London session and then head to work. It's gonna be really nice, really nice. Looking really good. Tomorrow, or yeah, today, because it's past midnight. No news. Let's see. We have some news on. What is Wednesday today? We have some. This is Thursday. We have some news on Thursday. So Thursday I can't trade USD or GBP USD. It's gonna be GBP JPY. But tomorrow we trade everything. And then Friday. Core retail. This is also heavy news. Oh, okay, so fuck. And so mainly here for this week is gonna be GBP JPY. But that's nice. Thank you so much, guys. Let's fucking crush this. Oh shit. Bro, let's do it. Let me know if you guys like this kind of type of content. I don't do anything when it comes to editing. I don't try to act something. I just speak like exactly how I want to speak, how I would speak like to one of my friends, you know, trying to keep everything as transparent as possible so you guys are able to follow every single step and the whole journey. And then when I make it, you know, I can look back at it, you know, it's gonna be nice. So, but maybe I should also do some backtesting videos. There we can have some nice edits and some good quality. But right now it's just raw content, no edits, and that. So yeah, thank you guys. We come back soon again on the chart. I need to get some hours of sleep now, and let's fucking crush it.